Okay guys, big up on yourself. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, so today guys I'm making some fish fried rice. That is it, you know what I mean? Some snapper fillet. And I'm gonna dice them up in chunks, saute with my vegetable, my avocado oil. That is it. So just stay tuned, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for supporting my YouTube channel. Just keep like, share, subscribe, or comment. You see me? That is it. Okay, guys. So I have my vegetables here. I have my snapper fillet. So I'm gonna dice them up, guys. Yeah. I'm dicing them in some nice small cubes. Yeah, man, I have my snapper fillet fish, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna dice them up, guys, and then wash them with some lime juice. You know what I mean? So just stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what I go on. Alright, guys, so I have my snapper fillet diced up in chunks. Yeah, man, and I have my lime. So I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice. That is it, guys. Okay guys, so I have my easy spice all purpose. I know it's a little bit salty, so just watch the portion, you know what I mean? I'm on some garlic powder. My Mrs. Dash all purpose. Maggi all purpose, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And my red pepper. It's my red crushed pepper, guys. You know, I like my food spicy, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it. So I'm gonna mix this in properly, guys. Rinse off my cotton board, guys. Alright, I have some bell pepper. Yeah. Dice up my bell pepper. Have some scallion. Catch it pre, you know, guys. Make sure to watch that one carefully, isn't it? Alright. My chili pepper. Chili pepper is very crunchy, guys. I have my onion. check up on the stove and make sure say oil's getting hot, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So I have my onions cut, guys. My tomatoes. Remember, guys, I'm making snapper fried rice. This is me. Yeah, man, fish fried rice. This one is off the chain, guys. It's very healthy. It's a very healthy meal, you know what I mean? You know me already. Yeah, man. Love to cook healthy, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna mix this in with the fish. Okay, guys? Yeah. That's it. So I have some garlic. You know, I love cook with my garlic, guys. Yeah, man, garlic is very effective in cooking, you know what I mean? So I mix this in properly, guys. Yeah, man, that is it, you know what I mean? Alright, guys, so the oil is hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the pot. Okay, guys, so I have my fish in the pot with the vegetables sauteing done properly. Yeah, that is it, guys. Come on. Alright, guys, so while the fish sauteing down properly, I'm gonna add some soya sauce, you know what I mean? Don't know fried rice, guys, so we have to add some soya sauce. You know what I mean? That is it. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Big up on yourself. Keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. That is it. So just catch it pre, stay tuned, and watch what I go on. That is it.
Son, son, ako lang mag-bunch. Ako lang mag-bunch.
Yes, guys. Fried rice is going, you know. Yeah, man. That is it, you know. Alright, guys. Big up on yourself and don't know. This is my sinapa fried rice. Yeah, man. Fish fried rice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Just stay tuned and big up on yourself. Catch a prey and watch what go on, you know what I mean? That is it, guys. Welcome, guys. Big up on yourself. Keep supporting my YouTube channel. Really appreciate you guys. Just continue. Like, share, subscribe, or drop a comment, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up, big up.
me catch up in there.